Assalamu alaikum, friends. Welcome back to Laiba's kitchen vlog. It's your girl Laiba here, and today I am bringing you a recipe that is close to my heart and full of desi vibes: chicken karahi, the ultimate Pakistani classic that never fails to impress. Camera fades into my cozy kitchen, the aroma of spices already in the air. Ingredients you'll need for 4 servings, perfect for a family dinner: chicken kilogram tomatoes, 3 medium, chopped garlic paste, 1 TBSP ginger paste, 1 TBSP green chilies, 2 sliced yogurt, 2 TBSP red chili powder, 1 TSP turmeric powder, 1/4 TSP coriander powder, 1 TSP cumin seeds, 1 TSP garam masala, Minnesota half TSP salt, to taste fresh coriander, handful, chopped oil, 1/2 cup. Let's cook laiba style. Camera zooms in on the sizzling pan. 1. Heat oil in a wok. Add cumin seeds and let them crackle. 2. Toss in the garlic and ginger paste. Saute until golden and fragrant. 3. Add the chicken pieces and fry until they turn white and start browning slightly. 4. Now add chopped tomatoes, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, and salt. Mix well. 5. Cover and cook on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes until tomatoes break down and chicken is tender. 6. Add green chilies and yogurt. Cook uncovered until oil separates and the gravy thickens. 7. Sprinkle garam masala and fresh coriander. Give it a final stir. Camera pans to the finished dish, steam rising, colors popping. Serving tips: serve hot with naan roti or steamed basmati rice. Don't forget a side of cucumber salad and a chilled glass of lassi for the full experience. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share it, and tell me what dish you want next in Laiba's kitchen. Until next time, Kuda Hafiz and happy cooking.